ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನಾ ಕಂಡ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಬೆಂತಟ್ಟಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ, ನಾನಾಡು ಉಸಿರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ನೆನಪೊಂದಿದೆ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳಿದೋಗಿದೆ. ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದೋಗಿ ದಿನ ಉರುಳಿದೆ, ನೆನಪು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳಿದೋಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನಾನೆಯ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಮರೆಯಾಗದು, ನನ್ನಿಂದ ದೂರಾಗದು. ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನಾ ಕಂಡ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಬೆಂತಟ್ಟಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ತಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ. ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಂತೆ ಕಾಣೋ ದೇವಾಲಯ. ಬಾಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪಾನ ಬೆಳಗೋ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ. ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ನೀಡೋ ಬಂಧುತ್ವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಾಲಯ. ನನ್ನಾನೆಯ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಮರೆಯಾಗದು, ನನ್ನಿಂದ ದೂರಾಗದು. ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನಾ ಕಂಡ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಬೆಂತಟ್ಟಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ.
Good afternoon, my dear students. So welcome for the online class. So already in the previous class we come to know what is social stratification, so how it practiced in the society, and social inequality, how it is going to take a place, and which are the important features of social stratification and major forms of social stratification that already we have discussed. And what is untouchability? Yesterday, according to the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and according to the Gandhiji, what statement they have given about untouchability, about that concept also we come to know. So today we are going to discuss about some more other important information about the untouchability that are known, the problems of untouchability. There are many problems the untouchability people have faced that we are going to learn. Very important untouchability problems which make the people so to suffer from the other higher class people regarding to the untouchability. The first one is the lowest position in the social strata that untouchability people faced. What is a lowest position in a social strata means, according to the Manusmriti, if anyone touch the untouchables, they should go for many time purification. Here purification means what? So once if any touchable, any higher class people have touched the untouchable people, they should go for getting the Upanayana from the Guru, or maybe taking some kind of a bless from the saints according to the Hindu system. And as per the Vyagrapada Smriti, if a touchable person comes some distance of a tail of a cow, the untouchable he could purify himself with a bath. In case of any touchable people, so following the untouchable, he should go and take a purification bath many times in a home. That system was practiced in the society. The meaning of the lowest position means here the untouchable peoples are considered as an animal compared to the human being. Means human beings they did not respected the higher class people, untouchables as a human beings, they are treated as a animals. The untouchable were accepted to carry the night soil, dead animals and other filthy jobs according to the Dr. D. Uppaswamy, one of a sociologist who studied the lifestyle of the untouchables. He stated that the untouchable peoples at what pathetic condition they are living means whatever the filthy jobs means the dirty jobs. So either may cleaning the drainage, either may seepage, or maybe a cleaning the street roads. These are all kind of dirty works were only given for to the untouchables. So these kind, the untouchables were pushed from the society at the very lowest position. So these all problems the untouchable peoples were facing, and they were also kept outside the education. When the untouchables were kept outside from the village and the education rights were also denied for them, the untouchable person who was walking near to a temple, even he should not listen the recite of the Sanskrit Vedas and Slokas. They should close their ears. They do not have listening power of the Vedas or maybe any. So the education system, they were totally abandoned from the education system in the olden days. They do not have any right to learn and to read and write also. That system, the education were implemented in the time of ancient days. They were not supposed to learn any religious text. They should not study along with the other higher class peoples in the society. They were totally prohibited from the education. Against with this, one person who fought to provide the social justice to the untouchables, he is known as a Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is very memorable person in the history of the India, and in the preparing of constitution is a very important role. If there is no membership given for the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, maybe even today also we are going to see the untouchability was practicing very worst. The role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar providing social justice is very important and magnificent. So he proved that education only can change the society. Education through only we can get the social justice. So that's why he made education as a public property, not a property of a government. His concept, providing the education of the public property, made him so the very memorable person in the history of human beings. In the world, he is only a one person who has given legal power for the human beings to practice equality in the society. That's why he is known as the chief architect of Indian Constitution. Then denial of political property for to the untouchables means untouchables do not have any participation in the political activities, either to vote or maybe to contest in the election. They do not have any kind of right to participate in political activities. That kind, the prohibition were there against for the untouchability. But when Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became the leader of untouchability group, so he fought against with this. He criticized each and every system of the society and tried to make awareness among the untouchable people. After the independence, when he became the drafting committee chairman, he has given reservation for to the untouchable people, so in the education field and even in a reservation in jobs and even in a political activities and getting the justice even in a society to live equal life another human being in the society. So this kind, so the denial of political participation of the rights against many, so the freedom fighters, many, so the leaders among the untouchables made magnificent service to eradicate untouchability in our society. And along with that, some other legal provisions were there made to removal of untouchability in the Indian Constitution. Now let us glance which are the important articles providing so the rights for the untouchables to become equality among the citizens of India. Article 17 provides so the right for to any people, those who belongs to the untouchability, to live like a other human being in the society. So Article 17 prohibits untouchability in the Indian Constitution. The Untouchability Crime Act was passed in the year 1955 and this was amended and made some modification in the year 1976. According to the 1976 Civil Rights Protection Act, the universal rights to vote and participate in election has been provided for the Indian citizens, as well as the Act of 1989 has given responsibility for to the ruling government to control untouchability wherever it is going to practice or to make any changes to eradication of untouchability from the society. So my dear students, we come to know so what are the legal provisions are there to control or to eradicate untouchability from the society. Some more important acts are there and articles are there which provides so the untouchability to stop in the Indian Constitution. That articles are known as Article 15, 16, 17, 38, 39 prohibits any discrimination among the Indian citizens. Article 16 and 320 have provided reservation in the employment for SC and ST. Article 330, 332, 334 provides political rights for to the SC, ST and the tribal people. Article 29 declares education facilities for to the people without any discrimination. Article 25 has provided so all the people to enter into the public temples. Like this, many articles in the Indian Constitution it is added to removal of untouchability and to bring equality among the Indian people. So according to this lesson, so if you have any doubt, so better you can make a WhatsApp to me and I will solve the problem. Whatever all the exercise questions are given backside of this lesson, prepare your own notes. Later I will send you the PDF. Compare your answer with my notes and finalize and complete your fair. So let we see some other important lessons in the next class. So keep watching the videos. Goodbye.